Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you this delicious Liboke and Malangwa, which is Pangasius fish wrapped in banana leaves. So yummy. Please don't forget to like this video. If you do, comment, share with your friends and family to help me with the engagement. For this recipe, I'll be using ginger, garlic, chili, this is optional my dear, fresh tomato, onion, bell pepper. For the dry ingredients, I got all-purpose seasoning, salt and thyme. I got some malangwa here, spring onion, a very long one, banana leaves and foil. So for more information, please see the description box below. Measurements will follow up throughout this video. So I've washed the fish with lemon juice. I'll now season it with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon of dry thyme and some salt. I've got 6 pieces of fish, which is about 800 grams, so season it according to your taste. I'll now mix it all together so it can marinate well. Next, I'm going to blend some of the ingredients. I've got here a teeny bit of onion, blend it alongside with ginger, 1 clove of garlic, a bit of spring onion and fresh tomato. So blend the ingredients until the paste turns like this. Then add in the fish and mix it well honey. So the reason why I like to blend some of the ingredients is because I love the consistency that it creates. It's just so delicious and not bland, it's not watery. It's just amazing, guys, trust me. So after mixing it all together, I'm going to leave this to marinate for about 30 minutes. You can leave it overnight in the fridge. Do you know the longer you leave it, the more those ingredients hugs the fish. It will have full of flavor. Yes, don't we just love it? Okay, moving on. Remember, I used just a bit of onion and spring onion to blend, and here are the remainings. I chopped them with bell pepper. The chili, I'll just leave it as it is. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to add these chopped ingredients on the fish and some water, then mix it well. At this stage, you can taste it to see if you need to add some salt or something. As you can see, I'm not using any oil because this fish is a very oily fish. You literally don't need it for this. Now we need to wrap up the fish. So I've got a pot here. This will help to create the round shape. You can use a bowl or anything round. First, I'm using foil. This will help to support the banana leaves because the one that I got, I bought it frozen and it's not as strong. Okay, so I can't explain this part properly. I think you understand better watching what I'm doing than if I had to explain it. So let's watch. As you can see, I put the foil to cover each corners. This way the broth won't leak. I'll do the exact same thing with the banana leaves, which I cleaned before using. I'm now adding the fish in. Everything is starting to fall in place, isn't it? So add as much as I can in there, as well as the liquid. And also, if you're using chili, then add it also. After adding everything in, I'm now closing it. One mistake I made was not wrapping the banana leaves completely with the foil. So make sure you wrap it up, otherwise the banana leaves will just be flaky. So the wrap I created could only fit 4 pieces. So the rest is going into a container into the freezer because I will use it another day. I'm now adding some water in the oven tray with our liboke. This will help it cook properly and avoid it from getting dry. We don't want it to get dry, do we? No way. This is now going into a preheated oven for 1 hour at 220 degrees. After 1 hour, et voila, c'est prêt à manger. You see why I said wrap up the banana leaves completely with foil. I forgot to do so and didn't realize until late. Nevertheless, this tastes absolutely amazing. It smells great. I served it with boiled plantain. Oh my gosh, I love boiled plantain with fish. So yummy, so refreshing. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share with everyone, subscribe and press the notification bell so you can be up to date with my recipes. Bon appétit and I'll talk to you all soon. Ciao!